foods. It's possible to get something relatively healthy at most restaurants. Most cheap fast food restaurants often provide healthier alternatives to the main offerings. These foods may not satisfy the demands of every health-conscious individual, but they're still a decent choice if you don't have the time or energy to cook a healthy meal. Summary: fast food does not have to be unhealthy or fattening. Most fast food chains offer some healthier alternatives to the main offerings. 10. Weight loss diets work. The weight loss industry wants you to believe that diets work. However, studies show that dieting rarely works in the long term. Notably, 85% of dieters end up gaining the weight back within a year. 16. Additionally, studies indicate that people who diet are most likely to gain weight in the future. Thus, dieting is a consistent predictor of future weight gain, not loss. 17. Trusted source. The truth is that you probably shouldn't approach weight loss with a dieting mindset. Instead, make it a goal to change your lifestyle permanently and become a healthier, happier, and fitter person. If you manage to increase your activity levels, eat healthier, and sleep better, you should lose weight as a natural side effect. Dieting probably won't work in the long term. Summary: despite what the weight loss industry would have you believe, dieting usually doesn't work. It's better to change your lifestyle than to hop from diet to diet in the hope of losing weight. 11. People with obesity are unhealthy and thin people are healthy. It's true that obesity increases your risk of several chronic illnesses, including type 2 diabetes, heart disease, and some cancers. 18. Trusted source. 19. Trusted source. 20. However, plenty of people with obesity are metabolically healthy, and plenty of thin people have these same chronic diseases. 21. Trusted source. It seems to matter where your fat builds up. If you have a lot of fat in your abdominal area, you're at a greater risk of metabolic disease. 22. Trusted source. Summary: obesity is linked to several chronic diseases, such as type 2 diabetes. However, many people with obesity are metabolically healthy, while many thin people are not. 12. Diet foods can help you lose weight. A lot of junk food is marketed as healthy. Examples include low-fat, fat-free, and processed gluten-free foods, as well as high-sugar beverages. You should be skeptical of any health claims on food packaging, especially on processed items. These labels usually exist to deceive, not inform. Some junk food marketers will encourage you to buy the fattening junk food. In fact, if the packaging of a food tells you that it's healthy, there's a chance it's the exact opposite. Summary: oftentimes, products marketed as diet foods are junk foods in disguise, as they're heavily processed and may harbor hidden ingredients. The bottom line: if you're trying to lose weight, you may have heard a lot of the same myths. You may have even believed some of them, as they're hard to avoid in Western culture. Notably, most of these myths are false. Instead, the relationship between food, your body, and your weight is very complex. If you're interested in weight loss, try learning about evidence-based changes you can make to your diet and lifestyle.